Hello everybody outdoors. The tutorial will be short by me for you, and thank you very much for watching my content, and stay here and keep charming. You enjoy for watching my content. Let's go. Okay, in the tutorial I to tell you about how to install eBay. eBay is the antivirus. Why we need to install the eBay? Because from the internet many virus and hackers whenever attack your PC. So we need to protect your PC so that stay safe your data. Okay, let's go to step install the eBay.
Okay, the first you open the browser. In here you type google.com and you type eBay in here to find the master installer of the eBay. Click here to the open of the website eBay. Okay, to the download you can click a button here. You wait the process of the download of eBay. That is the master of the eBay. You can click the open and show folder and double click on the master installer request, and you can wait the installer process of the request. Okay, we to skip the process, and you must have a good internet connection to the download of the eBay. You right now? Okay, let's go to skip the process. Okay, after the finish install of the event, we should open the event software. If you scan your PC, you can click the button run smart scan to the check your PC. What is your PC? Stay safe or no? Okay, after that you must wait the process scan until to the 100% to the finish here. Okay,
Okay, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. See you next time.
Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota. I hear you man. Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota. I feel you man. Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota och springer runt och creepar och motståndet vi slipar. Let's get it on. Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite